Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment in our simple and easy DIY for mental health that you can do at home. In today's activity, we are going to be doing a lemon lavender salt soap. And the ingredients that you're going to need for this lemon lavender salt soap is you're going to need Epsom salt, Himalayan salt, which is right here. You're going to need your lavender and your lemon essential oil, a tablespoon and 3/4 measuring cup. I only have the quarters, so I will be doing 3 of them. So let's get started on learning how to do your own lemon lavender salt soap. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure out your Epsom salt. You're going to need 3/4 cups. I have a measuring bowl that I'm going to be putting the ingredients in. So we're going to do this. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. So that's that. Okay? So we're going to move that aside. And now you're going to need 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt. So we're going to take a tablespoon of the pink Himalayan salt and mix that in. And then we're going to put that aside. Okay? Now you're going to need 5 drops of the lavender oil. So we're going to do the 5 drops of the lavender oil. This is the lavender here. And we're going to take the top out, and we're just going to do 5 drops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you had a dropper bottle, that would be a lot easier, but these two aren't in dropper bottles. So it's a guesstimate. And then after that, after the lavender, we're going to use 5 drops of the lemon. And try and get it as close as we can. 3, 4, 5. Okay? Well, I'm going to put that back on. Put the covers on. And then I'm going to mix it up. Because you need it mixed. Okay, so now it's all mixed up. Okay? You're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes so everything can mingle. And then when you're done, you're going to put it in a sealed container. You can refrigerate it until you're ready to use. If you're using, like I did here, and use these instead of the real ingredients, you do not need to put it in the refrigerator. It will have longer shelf life. And then you just add this to your water. Okay, I just want to make sure it's mixed. And then I have a container I am going to put it in. If I can open it, so bear with me a moment. Now, just for your information, I'm actually going to be making 2 of these. This one I'm making to show you, and one will be going into my box that I am going to be giving away. So you want to stay tuned for that. And I will be keeping one for myself. And I will be doing giveaways, my own mental health giveaway boxes every so often. It won't be every month. It will be every so often, okay? I got that in there. Now we're just going to try to do that. And we're going to put the cover on. And there you go. That's your first Himalayan lemon lavender salt bath salt. And that's the first one. I will not be doing the second one now on here, but you can see it's quite easy. As I said, these ingredients you can buy in a dollar store, or you can get it at Walmart. Walmart sells the Himalayan bath salt. They sell the Epsom salt. They sell the essential oils. So basically, they have everything that you need right there. If you don't have a Walmart, you can order all this online as well. And it's really inexpensive to make and fun. And you get to enjoy your own creations to help you to relax. And you can see it goes a long way. I still have a full bag of both the Epsom salt and the Himalayan bath salt. So they're really fun and easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this installment of DIY mental health activities. And make sure you come back to join me for more. If you like everything, just subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out any of my future things. Remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes. And I love each and every one of you for who you are. Have an awesome day.